Sandhiya Ramalaxmi, doing my third year ECE in CEG. I'm also a member of Guindy Times, which is the official campus magazine of CEG AC Tech and SAP. For this interview of Intern Diaries 4.0 interview series, we have with us Ms. Sameeha, who is a final year biomedical engineering student. Hi, Akka, welcome.
Hi, Sandhiya.
Hi.
Thank you.
So, Akka, first tell us about yourself.
So I'm Sameeha, a third year biomedical engineering student at CEG. So, like if I had to say my interests, it is mostly I'm like into scientific research and being a brain maniac. I'm passionate about neurotechnologies and neuroscience. So, like I've also curious, so to involve myself into stem cell therapies, DNA and stuff. So I have also developed an interest in artificial intelligence, machine learning and stuff. So I'm just waiting to explore that is everything that's making me curious and publish some of my findings in the near future. So hopefully.
That sounds so cool. So where are you doing your internship right now?
So I'm currently interning at Kamaraj University, biophysical, chemical, and the biological lab. So it's a biophysical chemistry and chemical biology lab. So it sounds convincing. So it's everything inside. So like it is a part of Science Research Fellowship by the 3 Indian Academies. So I'm a part of it now. So I'm Summer Research Fellow.
Okay, great. So how did you come across this internship?
Okay, so if I had not been there one day, I would not have been here. So the thing is, I just came to know about this internship through Intern Diaries when I had interviewed a senior member of doing the same internship. So it's because of that I had applied for this. So usually the application process starts a year before, so you have to be watchful of the dates and deadlines.
Okay, can you brief us about the selection process?
Okay, so like I said, I had applied during the November 2020. During the previous year, so like the details usually involve your academic details, your personal details, and your marks and stuff. And it also involves like a gist of your projects and the training or courses you've done, and the extracurricular activities you have done, and mainly a write-up of 250 words explaining what made you interested in a particular field and what would you like to learn and achieve through this summer research fellowship. Yeah, so make that hit and you're totally into it. So it's really competitive and mostly 10% of the applicants get selected.
Okay, that's great. So what in particular attracted you to do this internship?
I'm into lab work and stuff. So when I came to know that actually there is a list of labs and the projects listed on the website. So when but we can't actually choose one. You are actually allotted into one project, but which you can't change later. So you can see the list of projects available on the website. So when I saw everything that's related to neuroscience and stuff, and I really wanted to be committed there. Like any one of these, I'm not you can get into IITs, IIMs, anywhere, but that's not in your hand. But I really wanted to be somewhere. There were a lot of opportunities lying here, so I thought, why not try one of these when I can get into anyone.
So okay, moving on to the next question. What kind of researches are done in your laboratory, in your company?
There are a lot of PhD students doing their projects, and there's a lot of other projects too. It involves in chemistry, actually a lot of because I'm particularly in chemistry department right now. But the one thing I'm into is Alzheimer's research. So yeah, a lot of papers were processing in this field too.
Okay. Can you share with us your experience in your company and the project you're working on right now?
Okay, so like I said, the project I'm working on is Alzheimer's. So Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder. So the brain, it's the is a seat of intelligence, controller of behavior. So it's the master of your organ. So what happens if your brain sorts of dies in some way? So this Alzheimer's disease is a particular disease where your brain's cells shrink and die. So the cure for this is not particularly defined like therapeutically. So I'm like a part of a drug target for Alzheimer's disease, inhibiting a particular enzyme which is the cause of the disease. So I'm just working on like the structural analysis part in software side and doing some coding and also some experimental work. So I think this all is very interdisciplinary, and I'm just loving what I do.
That is
So
so
this
amazing. Okay. So, did you learn any topics other than the curriculum to earn this internship?
Yeah, of course. I am currently an engineering student, but this is chemistry is really different from what I am doing in my curriculum. So, like when I just entered here, I really want to make myself suit to that particular environment, so that I have to learn a lot of things. I have to read a lot of research papers, getting to know what is actually being done here. So like before doing a project, you just have to know what is the past, what is the current, and what will be the future of it. So researching all those stuff will make you really curious, and it will be really interesting to know these are the stuff that is not known by you until now, and now you're knowing it, and it will be really great to further proceed on with what you've learned.
What are your takeaways from this internship?
So yeah, like everyone have to do something that makes them stand out of anyone else there. So really this thing has helped me and to know how the world works inside and outside. So the work culture here, and it also has taught me some life lessons also. So like if you wear a seatbelt, it's not that you're safe. You know how to drive too. So, and also you're not given any Google Maps to follow any path, so you just have to choose your own path. There's a little less people I know that who actually try to train other people and make them a master in stuff. So but you have to do it for yourself. So yeah, that's the thing, that's the most important thing to do. So no, you'll be juggling here and there, but if you found your path and what you want to do, it will be really useful, just kick off that procrastination and stuff. So then you'll really land where you are. So it's really pretty lucky. Yeah.
That's a wonderful answer. So, What would you advise your juniors regarding the internship?
Okay, so actually, some people apply to internships, and if they are not getting it, they feel dumb or like they feel inferior. But that's not really true. If you're not getting what you want, then that will urge you to pursue more. That rage in you will make you pursue what is making you down of someone who has really got into. Maybe for some people it's a fluke, it's a stroke of luck, but for some people it's really hard work, and for some it's really smart work, and that's what you want. So if you are not getting into some internship, then you should like try it on your own. You should do a project that what topic you really want to. So make yourself stand out in doing what you are interested in. So that's the one thing I would say.
So, okay. What are the other internship opportunities available for biomedical engineering students?
Okay, so it does not come through CUIC like the other computer science and IT students. You just have to search a lot. You just have to surf over the internet and of what's available. I'll say there are a lot of opportunities available, and until and unless you look out for yourself and what suits you, and you just adapt to the findings over there. So just look into the just follow some internship portal, internship providing websites, or just at least follow LinkedIn, and just follow some of the profiles, and when they are offering an internship you can just apply to it. Or some in universities or labs, they provide open positions in some of their projects, so they can apply for internships there too. But yeah, it is how you find it, not it does not knock into you. It's you have to look out and search and find for yourself.
Yes, I hope this helps BME students a lot. So, what are your future plans?
Okay, so I have been confused over this a lot, and since I am into neuroscience, I thought of making an academic career of masters in neuroscience and PhD and postdoc and so on. So yeah, sometimes I confuse over like getting a little bit of work experience and then moving on to what I'm planning to. But yeah, literally, I want to pursue masters and PhD. If I'm working or not, I'll just continue into an MS in neuroscience. I
So,
really want to be a research scientist in the near future,
okay, all the best for
particularly a
you.
neuroscientist. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that sounds so cool. So, what do you think about GT's Intern Diaries?
Yeah, this is actually a remarkable initiative. Like I said, if I had not been here one day, I have not known this internship actually exists. So, even for those who are not into a particular field, they can actually get to know what is happening in the corporate environment, what is happening inside a company, or what's happening inside a lab, or what incredible things students like you achieve in a short span of time, and how literally that leads to their future and plays an important role over there.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time and and patiently answering all the questions. It was very interesting to talk to you and to interview you. So, all the best for your future and wish you all success.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kar.